Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. This is a bird's nest on day 19, and we'll hope that they hatch this weekend, hopefully. But yeah, so there's the pretty blue eggs. Who knows where Mama Bird is?
She must be.
She had to go eat, I guess.
Like this.
But there are the blue eggs right there, and who knows when they're gonna hatch, but yeah, she always moves them around because she has to. And then of course don't know where she is, but yeah, there they are. And it's day 19, so make sure you like, subscribe, don't forget to hit those post notifications so then you don't miss any videos for the eggs. Bye guys.